What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing this 4K solar integrated hunting camera. It's basically a trail cam, but let's open it up. Alright, so inside of your box you got the manual. It looks like guide for the app and the actual hunting solar camera trail cam. And you got a strap for like strapping it onto a tree or something. And it's like you got a USB Type-C charger. So, turn it on, set it up, see how it works. Alright, so right out of the box, it does not come with batteries. So you gotta put 4 AA batteries into there. Also, you are going to need a mini SD card. You just pop that right into there and it like clicks in. Right in that little side part, you need a mini. And yeah, so let's peel all these things off and set it up, see how it works. Alright, so I chose this tree because I saw a lot of deer footprints around it. So what you do is you get this rope, put it around the tree, and then you got these 2 like places for the thing to go so that it can be held onto there. So make sure you tie it through those. Then what you want to do is just put it around the tree, and then you want to clip it through this. So you got to unclip this little black clip right here. So unclip that. Then you can slide it through. And then just pull it tight. And then to tighten it, you just pop it back down once it's in the right spot. So pop it down. Make this all level. And yeah, we'll leave it like this overnight and see if we catch anything on it. Alright, so we are back with the trail cam after it has been outside overnight. But what we had to do is we had to switch the location of where we had the trail cam set up, just because last night we didn't get anything on it. And yeah, so we set it up in a different spot. You can see my brother sledding in the snow. We haven't had it overnight yet, so let me just show you what this appears in a dark room and what the quality of the picture or video looks like when it is dark. Alright, so we are in the garage right now. It is counting down. Let's close it up, and then we will turn off the light and look at the quality. Also, there's a little light right here. This light flashes like every second to show you the countdown. Also, that same LED is a Wi-Fi LED. So go into settings, turn off the Wi-Fi LED, and yeah. So let's turn off the light. Turn on the light. Go over there and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so we got it on, turned on, did the password and everything. Let it boot up the card. That sometimes takes about a minute, but it booted up the card. Click menu or mode twice, sorry. And let's see what it looks like. So it's black and white right there. Alright, so this was taken in the pitch black. For me, I could not see a single thing. This was taken in the dark. I showed you, you could not see anything that was happening, but this got the whole moment. I think you might be able to see me just like coming down the stairs or going up the stairs right there. So yeah, pretty cool. Couldn't even tell. Alright, so overall, this is a really cool trail cam. It is really cool how it has either you can power it how AA's, or you can power it with the internal battery with solar panel. So you can check on there. It's like a little sun that just tells you that the internal battery that this comes with is fully charged. And then the AA's that we put in there are pretty low. So I was wrong. You do not need 4 AA batteries to power it. But if you were like somewhere that's going to be dark for like more than 24 hours, it could be nice to have those extra AA's if it was a cloudy day, because you would not be able to charge this if it was a cloudy day and it was dark outside. So yeah, you can tell that we just took this video. It was pitch black out there. But overall, I would give this trail cam I'd say like 4.5 out of 5 stars, because there are a few things like this little part that you clip the, what's it called? The lock onto. So this is really thin plastic. Like, I bet if I dropped it onto that, it would break off. So your stuff is not secure in there. But another nice thing is a lot of times you can take out the SD card, open it up, and then put the SD card back in, and then you don't have to do the password. This one, that is not the case. So that is really nice feature. But if you would like to pick one of these up for yourself, the link is down in the description below. Peace out.